All right, what's happening, everybody? It's your man, Cashmere. What if there was a way that you could get leads and income at the same time? Well, this program right here helps you to do this. Now, I've been in this program for over a year, and it has helped me to generate a great list as well as income. Now, I want to take you on the inside so you can see proof, right, that this program is really, really working. Now, this is, what's today's date? This is July 9th. So, 2018. I want you guys to see this is fresh. This is a new account that I created, guys, just so you can see how this program is generating leads and income for me. And check, if you need leads, this is the best program to get involved in. It's only $10 one time to get started. After that, you have a lead generation system that'll last you. Like I said, I've been in for years, man. This thing will last you for years. And I'm about to log in. This is my account. You see me logging in. So, people say sometimes if these guys don't be logging in. Wait, let me go back, make sure that's right. All right, I'm logging into my back office. Now, this is my profile, my back office and everything, right? Okay, now, if you look right here, you see, look at the leads. These say your paid members. These are people that's paid in, right? I'm not showing you all of their information over here to the right. I'm just showing you their usernames right now. Isn't this amazing, guys? Look at this. I'm generating these leads, and each one of these leads come with money attached to them. So this program is super easy, super simple if you're a newbie, because a lot of people want to build a list, but they don't know how. This system does everything for you. You get to build a strong list and income at the same time. So if you're interested in getting involved in this, just shoot me a message. I'll shoot you the link, and you can come on and get started. $10 one time. It works great for new people as well as established people that's trying to get their list up and trying to make a little extra money every day. I'm going to be honest with you, man. I average out anywhere from $100 to $200 a day with this program and build a great list. So get at me so I can shoot you the link, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.